Hey guys, welcome to another new video of The Mind Feed. I'm your host Vibha Kulkarni. So today in this video we are going to see how to recover your deleted images or files or few other things which you might have accidentally deleted, or due to a formatting your files are not available as of now. So the first thing you will require is a software called EaseUS Data Recovery. So the link for the software will be available in description, and once you click on that link you will reach a drive folder where you can download the zip file from there. Then once you've downloaded, you just need to right click and extract this file. So while extracting this file, it will ask for the password, and you need to enter the password as BRLL1 and just hit OK. So as soon as you enter the password, you will see a folder over here. But before we begin to install, what we need to do is we need to disconnect us from the internet. So now you can see I am disconnected. So just click on the folder and open the folder again. Then look for the setup and just double click it to run the setup. So based upon your system, it might take some time. So now you can see here it is asking for you whether you want to do standard installation or unpacking a portable version. So just go with the standard, then click next, then continue installation, then choose the directory. I suggest keep it as it is and just click next, then similar, just click next, and here it will ask for additional options. So just click on the create desktop options and keep it as it is. Just untick this one and click next. So guys, keep in mind that this software or the particular link I have provided in the description will work only for Windows operating system and will not work on MacBook or other devices. So once it is done, what you need to do is you just need to click on unpackportable.cmd and you will see something like this. Just click yes, and then a small process will take place where your software will be get activated. So it might take up to a minute or two based on your system performance. So please be patient, don't hurry up to cancel the process and all. Meanwhile, what you can do is subscribe to our channel and also watch our other tutorial videos which might help you in solving some amazing or hardest problem. So as you can see, the process is almost completed. Okay, so you can see that the process is almost completed and there is nothing, and then now you can simply close it. But you can now see here the data or the EaseUS data recovery software or wizard. So just double click it to open and just click end. So now you can see the system or the software is booting up. So simply wait till a window open. So here you can see there are various of the hard disk or the devices which are connected to my laptop, which are shown here. So what you need to do is you need to select the drive or the hard disk or SD card or pen drive, whichever connected to your laptop, from which you want to recover the data. So now I will select this one and click scan, and you can see here the scanning is started, and you will also see here the percentage of scan is done and the scan remaining or the time remaining for the scanning completion. So you can see all deleted files have been found. So it is showing all these are the deleted file that has been found, and it is around 189 files and around 16.75 GB in total. All these files has been deleted from this drive, and these are just with from the 20%. So what we need to do is we just need to click on recover, or if you want to stop the scanning, and you can either stop from here or you can just pause it for a second from here. And once you selected the file, you can just simply just select this way, or you can just navigate and go into the depth of the files, and you can select it one by one, or you can just simply select as a whole folder, and you will see here how much files are there and how much space does it take. So simply I will just click on recover, and it will ask me to select a location where I want it to be saved after the restoration. So I will just select any of the folder, or you can create a new folder. So just click OK, and so it is saying, are you sure to save original drive? Your data might overwritten or lost permanently if you save file. Okay, so what happened is I am recovering file from D, and I also selected a drive D to save the file. So it is suggested that you choose the another drive so that it won't be an issue with you. So I am just selecting another drive, and now you can see here the recovery process has been started, and one out of 189, 6 files have already been recovered. So just to get a backend or the how it works loop, we'll just go in the folder to see if files are really recovering or not. We'll go here, and you can see here that the files which have been deleted are being recovered, and you can see here the easers has made the folder under the Windows easer, and then this drive whichever I have selected, then the deleted files, and you can see here the files and all these things which have been deleted from the specific drive is being recovered. So guys, if you completed this complete process, it will recover all of the files, and you can see here the files are getting added as these files are changing. So everything can be recovered. In case if you want to stop this process, you just click on cross and you just click on stop, and the files will be a pop-up window will open, and it will show you all the files which have been saved. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you, bye bye, in next video.